everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. We have lots of ribbons, flowers, bows, buttons, lots of goodies for you today. But I'm starting off with these felt circles. Now, you get 500 pieces. They're 40mm diameter circles for £3.59, and these are just great if you're making your own flowers, brooches, embellishments, and you need something on the back to connect it to your project basically. But they're really, really handy, and it saves you cutting out the circles yourself. Then we have these. We have 20-piece organza rose flowers, £2.07. They are just lovely. They are not layered as in the leaves. You've just got the one layer of leaves, but you've got this gorgeous centerpiece with this gold ribbon in the middle as a little rose. And I just thought that these were super delicious. And I don't have anything the same as these. Similar, but not the same. Then we have these other organza flowers, and they're 25mm, 20 pieces. They're mixed colour flowers, £1.78. I love the white around the edges, and they are very pretty. Very, very pretty. And you get a mixture of colours there with those. Two-tone colours they are. Right, then we have some bows coming up. Now, these are padded bows. They're a little bit different. They're 20 pieces for £3.08, and they are just cute, aren't they? I like the beigey colour one and the pinky one in the middle, but you get the mixed colours, so you'd get an assortment, but they are just different. You could use them for children's hair bows, barrettes, hair clips, whatever you want to use them for, or put them on a fun card, gift box, you name it. All of these embellishments are just fantastic to spruce up any project, as are these pearl centre flowers, £1.78, and they've got this lovely cluster of pearls as a flower centerpiece embellishment with the lots of different petals. So they're a bit different than other ones I have. Oh my gosh, I have so many flowers now. It's not even funny, but you can never have enough flowers. Oh, look at these. High heels, shoe buttons. You get 10 pieces. They're 30mm, so they're very big, and they're £1.90. But they are big. They're not tiny buttons. They're nice big buttons for your projects. And they're a bit vintage, so I like that. I like the flowers on them, the bows, the butterflies, and they are very pretty. And then we have some more bows. These are double bows, and they are 20 pieces for £3.08. Like the fact that they're double bows, because they're always handy. I mean, I like making bows, but these save you making them. I do have a little bow maker, but I can never get them to look perfect like these. I don't know how they do them. I really don't, but they are just beautiful. Love them. Right, okay. Now, velvet ribbon flowers with they have silver on them and a diamante in the middle. You get 20 pieces for £1.78. I have ordered these before, so if you've seen these in a basket, I have ordered them, but I have a lot of projects that I want to use them on, and I wish I'd have ordered 2 lots when I ordered them, so I have more in my basket. But you may not have seen them in the last video, so there you go. Right, okay, these are 100-piece mixed colour buttons. They're £2.02, and I love the gold around them, and I just think that they would be lovely to sew as a centerpiece, or just to bling up your projects, really. I don't have any buttons like this, and I like the fact that they're different colours as well. So you've got lots of different variety to use them wherever you want to. Right, here, these are 9 pieces. They're pearl centre organza flowers. They're £1.78, and they've just got this lovely centerpiece and lots of lovely colours there. Do you know what? I always get black ones in there, and I do not use black very often. I'm going to have to put all of them together and maybe put all my black things away as a giveaway, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'll just do a project with lots of black things on them. Okay, now I do have some Christmassy things in my basket today. This is 20 yards of silk satin gold ribbon for 47 pence. 47 pence for 20 yards, getting ready for Christmas, but you can use this in any project. Don't forget to click on the link if you want to buy any of these items. I have just got the one link to this seller's shop so that you can have a look. There may be other things that you see that I haven't bought. Now we have these 7-piece organza flowers. They are £3.59, but they are big. They're very, a few layers on there. You have a rose, you have a diamante, you have a pearl in the middle. So you have a lot going on. And then you have the ribbon kind of bow coming out of it as well. So you have lots and lots and lots of things going on with these flowers. And they are just beautiful. These I have brought for the kids actually. They are hair bow clips. You get 8 pieces for £2.37, mixed colours. But that pink one on the bottom, I will use that probably on a journal, and the white one as well, because I just think that they will be very pretty to clip in a journal. You know, you don't have to just use them for the kids. I think they're just lovely. So you can mix your colours, or you can have a mixed bag of colours. Then we have these 100-piece wood buttons, and they're kind of like travel themes. They've got the Eiffel Tower. They've got other sort of places around the world on there. Very good for your vintage journals, and you get 100 for £1.78, so that will keep you going for a while. You will have lots of buttons in your stash to keep you going. Then we have these 40 pieces gold satin flowers, £3.08. I thought these were a bit different. I do have satin roses, but I don't have any that have this much gold on them. So I thought I would get them and we will try them out, because I think they are different. And, you know, it's always nice to try something else out and to have a different look to your projects. Okay, so these are organza roses. They're very, very pretty, very delicate. You get 10 pieces for £1.78. They're not tiny, they're a nice size, and they don't have any bling on. They are just very subtle, but they're very delicate as well. Very good for wedding projects as well. Anything really. You can use them in lots of different things. Right, now these are right, okay, these are 20 pieces organza gold edge flowers with pearls in the middle. You've got this little cluster of 3 pearls in the middle. I lost my way then. It was £1. They are £1.78, and they're just different again. They do have the gold edge, so I think I have some similar but with silver edges, but these have gold edges, so I thought they would be different. And look at these are really different. There's 40 pieces here of these felt flowers with the pearl center, and they've got this lovely, almost looks like gold stitching going on there. £3.08 for 40, and then you've got your green satin ribbon at the back for leaves that depicts leaves on them, and these are like almost like pansies, I guess. So they're very pretty. Now, if you like to make your own flowers or projects and you want centerpieces, we have 60 pieces of these. Sorry, not 60 pieces. You can get 10 pieces, 50 pieces, or 100, and they're from 47 pence. So again, pocket money. Goodies here for you today. So these are always handy to pop in the center of something, bows, flowers, or just pop them willy-nilly around your projects. Okay, now here you get 60 pieces of these 40mm padded hearts, £3.08, and they have this lovely bow on them as well. These I just thought would be super different and very cute to put on your projects or just to give away for Happy Mail. You could put them in a bag, do a bag topper and give them as Happy Mail. That's what I'm going to do anyway. Probably the same as these crochet hearts, fabric crochet, sorry, not hearts, are they? These are, where are these? Fabric crochet bows, I am so sorry. 10 pieces for £1.78. They do have flowers on them. That's probably why I have flowers written down. But they are lovely, aren't they? They're really different. I don't have any crochet bows, I don't think. Then you have pearl hearts. You can get 10, 50 or 100 and they are from 47 pence. And again, you know, very great for wedding projects, to pop all over your card or just put a couple on, or on your middle of your bows, flowers. You know what you do with embellishments. So that's what's in my basket today. I hope you have enjoyed watching. Please click on the link to go to the seller shop and have a look, see what they've got. You will not be disappointed. They're very, very reasonable prices, this seller. I love this one. And the fact that all of these are from one seller, it all comes in one package, so I don't have to wait for lots of different things to arrive. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. See you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.